This is how we like to do it.
Looking to remodel, redecorate, or redesign where you live, work, and play?
I have a pretty good sized yard. With the Automower, I never have to deal with any of the grass clippings. Makes life really simple.
Designing Spaces is your guide to all things new, refurbished, and restored.
Let's get started on this countertop project. Guys, we're gonna start with wood and create marble.
Designers like yourself have taken a wainscoting idea and turned it into more contemporary look.
Inspiring viewers for over 10 years with decorating ideas,
You can do some amazing things even though you have that very small kitchen.
do-it-yourself projects,
So any last-minute advice on how to care for them?
I'm glad you asked.
and step-by-step home improvements to help make every space count.
You need your protective eyewear, your gloves, and your long sleeve shirt.
Tune in and get designing.